Which misting fan is actually good for your backyard? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the real answer. Today, we're cutting through the noise and showing you exactly which ones deliver real cooling and which ones just look the part.
Product number 1, Pocket Panda 50-foot DIY misting kit. The Pocket Panda 50-foot misting system. This caught my eye because it's not a fan at all. It's a full DIY cooling setup you can wrap around your patio, umbrella, or even a trampoline. At $22.94, it's one of the most affordable ways to cool a large outdoor space without buying a bulky fan. If you want customizable, wide area cooling without the fan noise, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with 50 feet of UV-resistant tubing, 15 brass nozzles, and push-to-connect T-joints that let you branch lines in multiple directions. That means you can cool your deck, garden, and poolside all at once. The brass fittings resist rust, and the system drops temps by up to 20 degrees Celsius. That's 68 degrees Fahrenheit, so you actually feel relief. Over 1,000 people bought this last month, and the DIY flexibility means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all solution. Now, some people complained about leaks if the tubing isn't cut perfectly straight. Here's the thing though, if you take 30 seconds to make a clean cut and push the tube fully into the connector, it seals tight. It's not rocket science, but it does require a little care. Also, you need a strong water source. Low pressure won't give you that fine mist. This is perfect for you if you've got a big backyard, pergola, or outdoor party space and want full control over your cooling zones. Skip this one if you want something plug and play with no setup. For under $25, it's an insane value for the coverage you get.
Product number 2, Home Note 26-foot compact misting line. That was a solid option for large areas. But if you've got a smaller space, like a balcony or compact patio, the Home Note 26-foot system might be more your speed. At just $16.19, it's one of the cheapest ways to get real misting cooling without sacrificing quality. It comes pre-assembled with 7 brass nozzles and a solid 3/4-inch adapter, so you're not fiddling with connectors. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brass nozzles resist clogging and corrosion, and the 1/4-inch heat-resistant tubing handles high pressure without bursting. It cools up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is noticeable even on 90-degree Fahrenheit days. Plus, it doubles as a gentle watering system for plants. Great if you've got a small garden or potted veggies. Over 1,000 units sold last month shows people are loving this for tight spaces. Now, some buyers said the tubing can kink if bent too sharply. Here's the thing though, just avoid tight corners and use the included clamps to guide it along railings or fences. It's not fragile, but like any hose, it needs gentle handling. Also, at 26 feet, it's not meant for large yards. This is perfect for you if you've got a small deck, apartment balcony, or a chicken coop that needs light cooling. Skip this one if you're trying to cool a whole backyard. For under $17, it's a no-brainer for compact setups.
Product number 3, YDCBRIR 4-gallon portable misting fan. If the last two were passive systems, this next one brings the power, literally. The YDCBRIR 4-gallon misting fan is a beast. At $99.99, it's a big jump in price, but you're getting a portable, rechargeable fan with a massive water tank and 40,000 milliamp hour battery. If you want serious mobile cooling for camping, golf, or beach days, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4-gallon tank means you can run mist for hours without refilling, perfect for all-day barbecues or fishing trips. The fan oscillates 360 degrees, covers a wide area, and even has an LED light and remote control. The battery lasts way longer than most portable fans, and the suitcase-style wheels make it easy to roll anywhere. Over 800 sold last month shows people are investing in real outdoor comfort. Now, some users said it's heavy when full, around 30+ pounds. Here's the thing though, the wheels and handle make it manageable, but you're not carrying this far. It's built for rolling, not lifting. Also, the mist output depends on water level. Lower water means weaker mist. This is perfect for you if you're always on the move, camping, golfing, or hosting outdoor events. Skip this one if you just need something for a fixed patio. For under $100, it's a premium portable solution.
Product number 4, Melbury 30FT pre-assembled misting kit. That was a solid portable option. But if you want something in between DIY and plug and play, the Melbury 30FT system hits the sweet spot. At $19.99, it's pre-assembled with 8 brass nozzles and a 3/4-inch adapter, so you skip the cutting and measuring. If you want quick setup with reliable cooling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brass nozzles create a fine, dry mist that cools without soaking everything, perfect for sitting outside in shorts without getting drenched. It drops temps by up to 20 degrees Celsius, and the built-in filter prevents clogs. Plus, it works as a gentle plant watering system. With 500 sold last month, it's a trusted choice for patios and greenhouses. Now, some reviewers mention the tubing isn't as flexible as advertised, making tight bends tricky. Here's the thing though, it's still bendable with warm water or sunlight, and the clamps help secure it. Not a deal breaker, just needs a little patience. This is perfect for you if you want fast, reliable cooling for a medium-sized patio or garden. Skip this one if you need ultra-long runs or heavy-duty industrial use. For $20, it's a no-brainer for most homeowners. Product number 5. Shark Flex Breeze Pro Mist Fan. If you want the ultimate in power, portability, and smart design, the Shark Flex Breeze Pro Mist Fan is in a league of its own. At $249.95, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the most advanced. This isn't just a fan, it's a 70-foot reaching, cordless, oscillating misting system that transforms from floor to tabletop mode. If you want premium, all-day cooling with zero hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The removable misting tank lets you cool without a hose, and adding ice makes the mist even colder, up to 12 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. It runs up to 24 hours on battery, oscillates 180 degrees, and has 5-speed settings. Plus, it's whisper quiet indoors and weather-resistant outside. With 500 plus sold last month, Shark is proving people will pay for performance. Now, some buyers said the tank is small for all-day misting. Here's the thing though, you can refill it easily and the battery life more than makes up for it. Also, the price is steep, but you're getting a dual indoor-outdoor fan with misting built in. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier cooling for both home and backyard and don't mind the investment. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. For $250, it's the best all-in-one solution out there. So which one's right for you? The Pocket Panda and Home Note kits are great for DIYers on a budget. The Melbury offers the best balance of ease and performance. The YD Ray is ideal for adventurers, and the Shark Flex Breeze Pro is the ultimate premium pick. Each has its place. Pick the one that fits your space, lifestyle, and cooling needs.